Hello everyone, welcome. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Here I am, standing at the Eastport Town Square, here in the Villages, Florida, and today's video, I want to give you an Eastport update. Let's take a walk, friends, and see what is going on here at Eastport. For those new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tim. I bring you Villages-related content. The Villages is a 55-plus community located here in Central Florida. It is the fastest growing community in the state of Florida, according to the 22-23 Metropolitan Statistical Analysis reports. It's also the safest city in Florida. It's actually the fastest growing community in the nation. It's the safest community in Florida. And here I am standing at Eastport Drive and Dewey Drive. And this is the location of where the Villages Healthcare Center is. The Citizens First Bank is located over there. That is the intersection of Central Parkway and Bar Boulevard. And across Central Parkway is the village of Water's Edge. The homes you see over there, the rooftops, that is the Michael Villas. Those are courtyard villas. One of my subscribers said they would like to live in the Michael Villas, which is adjacent to Central Parkway. But this video is to provide you with an update to the Eastport Town Square. I wanted to show you the progress, and I do see progress from last week's video. I did make a video last week. I do see some of these buildings have been painted. I think that building straight in front of you, the white building, that has been painted. I think the building right here has also been painted. Let me know in the comments below if you know what any of these buildings are. I've been getting a lot of questions asking me if Eastport is going to be smaller than the other town squares, including, for example, Lake Sumter Landing and Brownwood Paddock Square and Spanish Springs. I'm just going by what I see, and this appears to be as big, if not larger, than those two town squares. And if there's anybody watching this video, please leave in the comment below if you know if this town square is going to be larger than the other town squares. I will zoom in. But at first glance, it looks to me like this town square is going to be larger than the rest of them. But then again, that's very hard to say. It's difficult to measure how large it is. Is it by square acres? Is it by the number of retail stores? Exactly how do you define what larger means? And I'm just looking at the number of buildings, and at this point, there seems to be more buildings here than Lake Sumter. I'm more familiar with the Lake Sumter Town Square. But let me know in the comments below. Brownwood Paddock Square might actually be larger. It's hard to say. I do not spend a lot of time down at Brownwood. So let me know your thoughts. There is a lot of progress going on here. I wanted to bring you an update. Later in the video, I will take a car ride and drive around the town square and show you a little bit better view of what the progress is. But today, I wanted to show you up close the progress. I do see more construction going on. I see paint going on these buildings. And hopefully it won't be too much longer and some of these retail establishments will open up for business. And let me know in the comments below if you're working with a Villages representative, what they're telling you in terms of when they anticipate this town square to open up. You do see a lot of people milling around, driving through here. They're looking and waiting for this town square to open. They're checking on the progress. That is a very large building right over there, friends. That's why I'm thinking that this town square is larger than Lake Sumter. but it's hard to say. I will zoom in. I'll give you a close-up view of the progress made from this side of the town square. First thing I notice here is the awesome landscaping right over there. Very nice landscaping. I have a feeling that this town square is going to be gorgeous once it's said and done. There is a lake right beyond that building over there. I think that building is going to have waterfront views. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I will now go in the car. I will show you a short car tour of the rest of the town square and the progress being made. Stay tuned, friends. I am pulling out of the parking lot at the Village's Health here at Eastport Town Square. I will give you a short driving tour and show you the progress being made here at Eastport. I know a lot of my subscribers are anxious to see the updates being made, and that is the town square right over there, and I provided you with some video earlier. Now I'm going to take a left onto Central Parkway, and I will show you the progress being made here at Eastport. Stay tuned. Now I'm taking a left onto Central Parkway. You do see the Village of Water's Edge and the Michael Villas ahead of you, and that is the Eastport Town Square. That is the Village's golf car service right there. You can see they're making progress. Let me know if you can tell the difference. You do see people parked on Central Parkway in their vehicles, taking a quick peek of what the town square looks like. I will drive around the roundabout and I will go back into the town square of Eastport. There is your Eastport sign. This is the intersection of Bexley Trail and Central Parkway. I'll go back into the town square of Eastport. There is your Eastport sign right there. And I'll give you an update, a video update of what the progress looks like from out the window of my car. Right there is what it looks like. Eastport, and that is the Village's golf car service right there. That is the progress being made on Eastport. Let me know in the comments below if you notice a difference. I will try to bring you weekly updates. To give you a better idea of the progress being made on Eastport, I am driving on Central Parkway. That is the golf course right there. If I keep driving on Central Parkway, I will enter the village of Shady Brook. Beautiful live oak trees. Feel free to forward the video to anyone you feel is interested in this type of content. I would appreciate it. Now I'm entering the village of Shady Brook. And I'm on the intersection of Marsh Bend Trail and Central Parkway. This is where I'm going to end the video. Thank you. Take care, friends.